Here is a recipe to make plain dosa at home. Ingredients: 1 cup of uncooked white rice, a half cup of urad dal, split black lentils, salt to taste, water as needed. Instructions: rinse the rice and urad dal separately with water. Soak the rice and urad dal in separate bowls with enough water for at least 4 to 6 hours or overnight. After soaking, drain the water from both the rice and urad dal. In a blender, grind the urad dal with enough water until it becomes a smooth and fluffy batter. Transfer the batter to a large mixing bowl. Next, grind the rice with enough water until it becomes a smooth and fine batter. Add the rice batter to the same mixing bowl with the urad dal batter. Add salt to taste to the batter and mix well. Cover the bowl with a lid and let it sit in a warm place to ferment for 8 to 10 hours or overnight. Once fermented, mix the batter well and add water if needed to adjust the consistency. Heat a non-stick pan or a cast iron griddle over medium heat. Once the pan is hot, pour a ladleful of batter onto the center of the pan. Using the back of the ladle, spread the batter in a circular motion to form a thin and even layer. Drizzle a few drops of oil or ghee around the edges of the dosa and cook for 1 to 2 minutes or until the edges start to turn golden brown. Using a spatula, carefully lift the dosa from the pan and flip it over. Cook for another minute or until the other side is cooked and crispy. Remove the dosa from the pan and serve hot with chutney and sambar. Note, you can also add finely chopped onions or other vegetables, such as carrots or cabbage, to the dosa batter to make it more flavorful and nutritious.